Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your RAM 1500 battery. Before starting, prioritize safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from acid and electrical hazards. Make sure your truck is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Have your new battery, a 10mm wrench, and a battery terminal brush ready for a smooth process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the battery, which is typically under the hood of your RAM 1500. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal and carefully remove the cable. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent accidental short circuits. Then, repeat this step for the positive terminal. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable. Secure it firmly with the hold-down clamps or straps you removed earlier. Now, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both securely with your wrench. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Give the terminals a gentle tug to confirm they won't easily come loose. Now, start your RAM 1500 to confirm the new battery is working correctly. Finally, remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly. Many auto parts stores or recycling centers accept used batteries for proper environmental handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.